Kathakali, the classical dance drama of Kerala, dates back to the 17th century. It combines music, elaborate costumes, facial expressions, and hand gestures to depict stories from Hindu epics like Ramayana and Mahabharata. Next is Kalari Payattu, one of the oldest martial art forms in the world. With the origins traced back to 3rd century BCE, it was developed in Kerala for self-defense and warfare and is now preserved as a cultural art.
चलिए दौड़िए भागिए और तुरंत फॉलो कीजिए।
हेलो एवरीवन, नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल, सलाम, केम छो, कसाय पब्लिक, जोहार और कैसन बाड़ा रवा लोग। Welcome to a land where culture, nature, and tradition embrace you at every step. Nestled in the heart of the Western Ghats, this is Thekdi, Kerala, a paradise of wildlife lover, cultural seeker, and adventure enthusiast alike. Hello explorers, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are diving into the magical town of Thekdi, located in the Idukki district of Kerala. From wildlife safaris in Periyar to ancient martial arts to colorful cultural performances and spice-scented markets, this one-day itinerary is packed with unforgettable moments. So let's get started. Thekdi lies about 4 kilometers from Kumli, and it is well connected by road to major Kerala cities like Kochi, Munnar, and Kottayam. Its cool climate, lush forest, and proximity to the Periyar Tiger Reserve make it a key destination for ecotourism. You can start off your day early in the morning and can arrive to Thekdi from nearby towns or stay overnight at one of Thekdi's many eco resorts or homestays. Our journey begins at the Periyar Tiger Reserve, one of India's most celebrated wildlife sanctuaries, spread across 925 square kilometers of protected forest and wetlands. Established in 1950, the sanctuary surrounds the Periyar Lake, formed by the Mulla Periyar Dam, built during the British rule in 1895. It is a heaven for biodiversity and a part of the Western Ghat UNESCO World Heritage Site. You'll get to see a lot of wildlife and flora. Over 265 species of bird, including hornbills and kingfishers, mammals like elephants, sambar deer, wild boar, Nilgiri langurs, and even tigers. Rich flora includes sandalwood, teak, orchids, and over 1700 species of plants. The activities include boat safari on Periyar Lake, which is the most popular one, nature walks and bamboo rafting, tiger trail trek with forest guides. The ticket prices are pretty reasonable. For Indian tourists, it's rupees 50. For foreigners, rupees 500. Boat safari, 255 per person. And they're gonna take you for a magnificent ride for around 1.5 to 2 hours. And if you are a wildlife photographer, the camera fee are rupees 38 for still camera and rupees 225 for videos. You can book the tickets online via Kerala Forest Department or can get the tickets at the entrance. But do keep in mind, during the season time, it's pretty rush. If you talk about the amenities, they have the visitor center, eco shop, washrooms and cafeterias in the same complex. So after spending a serene time in the Periyar National Reserve, you can proceed further for the local spice plantation tour. Kerala is called the Spice Garden of India and Thekadi is its living testament. We are now at the local spice plantation, just a few minutes from the reserve. Take a guided tour through farms growing cardamom, cloves, pepper, nutmeg, turmeric, and even exotic plants like vanilla and allspice. Learn about the medical and culinary value of each. You can end this plantation tour by visiting to the spice shop for organic souvenirs. The entry fee is rupees 100 to 150 per person, includes guide, and the duration gonna be 45 minutes to 1 hour. So now you can take out some adventure balls from your bucket list because it's time for elephant ride and interaction. We are now heading for a gentle elephant ride and interaction session, a popular experience in Thekadi. Ethical elephant experiences in Thekadi involve short rides, photo sessions, and in some cases, bathing and feeding the elephants guided by trained mahouts. The cost for this amazing experience gonna be rupees 400 to 600 per person. Recommended centers would be Elephant Junction or Green Park. Perfect for families and couples. And yes, you can take pictures. So after spending half of your day exploring Thekadi, you can return back to your hotels and take some rest. And then you can start off with a journey around 4 p.m. in the evening. And this is the most popular events in Thekadi. The cultural shows at Kadathanadhan Kalari Center. Now it's time for some jaw-dropping cultural magic. We are at the Kadathanadhan Kalari Center, where two of Kerala's proudest traditions come to life. You can go and witness the magical Kathakali performance.
Kathakali is centuries old traditional temple dance of Kerala. This art form was originated in the first half of 17th century, 400 years back. In Kathakali, an actor never talking on the stage. Singer sing the story, character will explain the detailed meaning of song.
Kathakali, the classical dance drama of Kerala, dates back to the 17th century. It combines music, elaborate costumes, facial expressions, and hand gestures to depict stories from Hindu epics like Ramayana and Mahabharata. What's amazing is how every blink, eye roll, and movement conveys meaning even without words. The artists take around 2.5 hours to get ready for this particular performance. The duration gonna be 45 minutes and the tickets prices will be rupees 300 per person. And now it is time for the most jaw-dropping experience in Thekadi, and that is the Kalari Payattu ancient martial art show. Next is Kalari Payattu, one of the oldest martial art forms in the world. With the origins traced back to 3rd century BCE, it was developed in Kerala for self-defense and warfare and is now preserved as a cultural art. The techniques include sword fighting, stick combat, acrobatic flips, combat yoga movements. The precision, power, and agility to these artists is just breathtaking, and this is a must watch event. After experiencing both Kathakali and Kalari Payattu show, you can go for a magic show for the kids, which is located just beside the Kalari Center. For kids, it's a very good event. Your kids gonna love and enjoy the show. Around 7 p.m. in the evening, you can go for local dinner and spice market walk. So now we are ending our journey with a stroll through the Kumli Spice Market. The aroma in the air is enough to make you hungry. Shop for cardamom, homemade chocolates, Ayurvedic oils, handicraft, and banana chips. And as for the dinner suggestion, try local Kerala dishes like Kerala Sadhya, Malabar chicken curry, or curry mean polichattu at local eateries or resort restaurants. One day in Thekri may not seem like much, but here every hour is a window into different world. From the raw energy of the jungle to the spiritual discipline of Kalari Payattu to the timeless grace of Kathakali. This has been a journey through nature, culture and heart all in one place. Thank you for joining me in Tekdi. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more immersive travel stories. Until next time, keep exploring and yes, have no fear when Gappu is here. Bye-bye.